So how do you make 10,000 Rand per video on YouTube, $645 per video? Although the more common question is just generally how much do you make on YouTube, or how much do you make per video, or how much do you make for every single view? Well, these are the questions that we're going to talk about right now. So we are going to have a look at the performance of a couple of videos. I'm going to give you real numbers, real screenshots, no approximations, no made up rubbish. So how do we do it? Well, before you can start earning ad revenue from your YouTube videos, you need to be part of the YouTube Partnership Program. And two of the most important factors about that is that you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that is public watch hours, in the preceding 12 months. Once you've got that, you can start making your millions. Whoa there, champion. Don't go posting your first video and it goes viral, getting 10 million views in the first couple of days, and you think to yourself, man, tomorrow I'm going to be driving around in a Lambo. I've got news for you. Tomorrow you are still going to be pedaling that bicycle. Preferably, you don't want to have a video going viral before your channel is monetized. Also, be very careful with music. You don't want to be using copyrighted music and then the videos start skyrocketing and all of a sudden you get some copyright claims, and some of that money, or most likely all of that money, needs to be paid over to the license holder of that music. How much do you earn per view or per video, or how do we make this 10,000 Rand per video? It starts with looking at some analytics. Before we get into the stats, and just to give you guys some context, there is generally three types of content that I produce on my channel. First up being how-to videos, quite a wide spectrum of those. There's a lot of tool-related reviews and teardowns. And then third is basically this huge mixed bag of tricks. There's a lot of racing, flying, tech and product reviews. There's a lot of DIY build stuff. And lately, there's been a bit of a series of mini garden tractors starting up. That's been quite fun, actually. The mixed bag of tricks videos range from 20 to 50 Rand per 1,000 views. Let's have a look. The first video we have is about how to make a studio light softbox. It's currently got 5,700 views and it's generated 183 Rand and 71 cents. Nothing to write home about quite yet. If we look at how much it's earned per 1,000 views, it's earning 32 Rand 36 per 1,000. Having a look at another example, we can see this is a more recent published video. It's only got 1,000 views and it's also only generated 87 Rand and 4 cents. Not a lot. However, if we have a look at our revenue tab, we can see that it's generating money at 93 Rand 39 cents per 1,000 views. That's quite a lot more than the previous video. The how-to videos range from 45 to 65 Rand per 1,000 views. This video is about how to change the clutch in your vehicle, and you can see that it's gained 21,000 views and it's earned 1,377 Rand. Moving over to the revenue tab, we can see that it's earning at a rate of 65 Rand and 50 cents per 1,000 views. Here's another how-to video, and we can see that it's got 22,400 views and it's generated 994 Rand. So even though it's got slightly more views than the previous video, it's made less money. And that is again because the rate is a bit lower. We can see it's earning money at 44 Rand and 32 cents per 1,000 views. So not everything is equal. And last but not least is those tool-related videos. And you guys are going to be just as shocked as I was. 70 to 100 Rand per 1,000 views. So here's the kicker. This video is about removing the chuck on a cordless drill, and it's gained 15,500 views, so a little bit less than the previous videos that we've looked at, but it's generated 1,682 Rand in ad revenue. And if we look at its rate, it's a whopping 109 Rand and 6 cents per 1,000 views. So this is quite a profitable style of video. Another few examples of some of these tool-related videos, they haven't got as many views, so they haven't generated as much income, but we can see that their rate is 93 Rand and 40 cents per 1,000 views. We've got another one here that is 76 Rand and 17 cents per 1,000 views. Another one at 83 Rand and 93 cents per 1,000 views. So 100 Rand or $6.40 per 1,000 views doesn't sound like much, right? Well, get 10,000 views. That's 1,000 Rand, $64. What about 100,000 views? That's 10,000 Rand, $648 for one video. Go and upload 10 videos, 100 videos, 200 videos. Now the numbers aren't looking so small, are they? The key thing here is that you consistently want to be putting out quality content that your audience wants to watch. Is it useful? Does it add value? Or is it entertaining? Also, preferably you want to put out evergreen content so that for years to come, you can gain those tens of thousands, maybe even millions of views. Then the numbers really start adding up. And there is one more thing that is important, but we'll get to that shortly. Before we do, if you found the video useful or entertaining, please hit the like button. Also, leave us a comment. I really would appreciate it. So the last important point and something to keep in mind is that the amounts that we have been talking about do vary widely between the different types of content that you can create. Also, how advertiser friendly it is, don't go swearing in your videos, and the countries from where your viewers are watching. The length of your video also makes a bit of an impact. There are a couple of other variables, but I think these are the main ones. Just thinking about it now, your thumbnails and how attractive and clickable they are super important. Likewise are your titles and how searchable they are. It really does go a long way to building an audience, especially when you are a small channel. And there's no exact measure of how much you'll get paid, only historical guidelines. So let's have a look at another example. So Richard from Rich Photography just posted a video showing how 3 of his videos have earned him 23,000 Rand for 800,000 views. That's an average of 34 Rand per 1,000 views. There will be a link in the description. Go check out that video. He makes awesome videos. Please support him. Also, some of my other analytics from my channel, 268,000 views has generated 13,186 Rand. So that's an average of 50 Rand per 1,000 views. And that is over the wide range of topics that I've covered. Also bear in mind that this is income that is only generated from ads appearing in the videos. And it's a mixture of ads that appear before each video and mid-roll ads appearing during a video. There is another video that I think you guys would really like, and it's either going to be on screen here or it's going to be in the description below. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. My name is Burton, and you'll see me in the next video. Cheers.